Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. Happy Saturday to everyone around the world. I really appreciate each and every one of you stopping by that channel today. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, but now let's get right in today's topic. You guys might have already known by the title of the video as to what we'll be discussing today, and that's none other than Aptos. What's happening with Aptos? You guys can see it is trending right now on CoinGecko. A lot of interest coming in right now, and it's very close to all-time highs. A lot of things to cover, for Aptos, so let's get right into it. As always, before we jump in, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. Looking at the price of APT token, it's up about 11.3% in the last 24 hours in USD, comparative currently trading at $7.55. It's also up 3.8% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Market cap sitting right below that $1 billion mark, but forget about the market cap. Look at the buying pressure right now, guys. The buying pressure is almost the same as its market cap. So that really goes to show, there's a lot of interest coming in right now, a lot of buying pressure coming in for APT token, and hence it is a trending, and it's not a surprise right now. But now you may be saying, Crypto ZX, this is not exciting. It's up about 11.3% in the last 24 hours. So what? But if we zoom out and look at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last 14 days, in just the last 2 weeks time, you can see APT token is up 122%. Remember, a lot of people got this token airdropped to them. It was a free airdrop, so if you held this is a very nice gain that you're making right now. Yes, the APT token did launch at around $13.73 as an all-time high just 3 months back, but we could be seeing all-time highs sooner rather than later. So let's jump right into it. If you guys don't know what APT token is, it is another blockchain like Solana, Cardano, a lot of competition coming in for Ethereum this time around, guys. Algorand, you name it. We have so many new blockchains coming in trying to compete with Ethereum and other ETH killers also, and we are seeing APT gaining a lot of traction because remember what happened last year, guys. If you guys recall, obviously, we did have the meme coin mania, if you want to call it, but remember, before that, every single blockchain project, you name it, VeChain, Cardano, Algorand, Polkadot, also, what else am I missing? I'm missing a lot right now. Solana. And these are the projects that really did quite well last year because these quote-unquote ETH killer has been going for since the existence of ETH, to be quite frank with you guys, and obviously a lot of them failed, and I do believe some of these are not going to succeed, and it's going to be very nice to see how one of these projects kind of compete with one another to really take the scale towards the upside. So that is going to be very interesting to see. I don't personally see all of them staying, but remember, we're entering a bull market, and these are the hot projects that a lot of people are looking into, especially the retail. Forget about the retail, the institutional investors. They know how these projects go about, how much interest they can bring into these, and APT is one of the hot projects that is being looked at. Is it going to survive? Is it going to survive, and is it really going to compete with the other big players that we have in the market? We will see. Really early to make that judgment, but if we're looking at the price right now, the price has definitely increased quite a bit right now, and you guys can see APT did see an all-time high of $13.73. Now you may make the statement that, oh, APT went all the way up to $100 when it was launched. Guys, this wick right here does not count. I don't count that as an all-time high. I'm sorry about that. All-time high was $13.73, and you can see APT token after the FTX collapse really had a massive downwards fall, and we saw the price go all the way to $3. And if you picked up some APT token around that range, guys, you are up quite a bit from that time, and that would be a move of about 150% in just a matter of 2 weeks, to be quite frank with you guys. But now is the exciting stuff. Remember, APT, when it launched, it has some level of resistance coming up around the $8.26. Fast forward 3 months down the road, we literally just touched that line, and boom, saw a retracement, saw a rejection. We never managed to break past this, even though the buying pressure that we're seeing right now coming in is really, really high for APT token. Almost, even higher compared to what it was at back in October when this project was launched and on every exchange. And remember, APT token is listed on all the exchanges, so liquidity is not an issue for this project. And if BTC were to really start this upward trend and actually go past this 22k mark, if you're a regular viewer on my channel, you guys know how important this level of resistance really is. I've been talking about this level of resistance since all the way back to June of last year. I've been talking about this zone, and it's very, very important. I do believe we could possibly see a rejection here. But if we go past this, this is where I turn bullish, and obviously APT is going to react to that. Regardless of BTC, breaking past that or not, I could see APT retesting this level of resistance once again, and the reason being the overall volume is increasing as we go, almost $1 billion. And what does that show us? That shows us people want APT token. A lot of interest coming in right now, and this thing can really pop off and start heading to all-time highs. And if I bring out the hourly chart, look how beautiful this chart's looking right now. We're seeing a mini retracement. Obviously, we can't really see that in the daily time frame, but on the hourly time frame, we see it on a better scale. You guys can see we touched that neckline of that level of resistance, saw a little bit of a retracement, but it's holding very, very strongly. And this time around, it can really push past this. And if it breaks out, guys, I'm thinking that this thing is going to start heading to its all-time highs. And all-time highs for it would be around that 1.5 billion. If I do bring out the measuring tool for you guys, that would be a move of about, from the current price levels, 13. So let's put it like almost double from here. So we're looking at $2 billion market valuation for APT token. But again, I think this project is going to be one of the movers, as I've mentioned, because it's its own blockchain. A lot of interest coming in these type of projects right now. But I would love to know your thoughts down below, what you guys think. Do you think this project is here to stay? Remember, you always want to do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies, and always invest what you can afford to lose. I cannot stress this enough, but I would love to know your thoughts down below about APT. Do you think this has what it takes to be one of the top projects, or is this one of the projects that cannot compete with the big players such as Solana and Cardano? And yeah, so let me know down below. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you guys want to see more APT updates, and I will bring you guys just that. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.